Hello everyone, in this video we will do a crouch. So I have a 3D game project in which I have a player which has a capsule, rigid body and rigid body first controller from the standard assets. And the main camera assigned as the child object of our capsule, that is player. So in order to do a crouch we need to create inputs. So go to project settings, input manager, and here I have a double. Let's name this button as a crouch, and its positive button is C for crouching. You can choose any button which you like. Okay, now open up the rigid body script, and under the advanced setting here we get some few variables. First is our rule, that is check for player is crouching or not. By default is false. Another one is for our player game object, and its name is player. And next thing is a public float. Let's name as crouch size of player equal to 0.5. So under the here in void object function create a condition if input dot get button down. We will press our crouch button. Just press crouch button, that is our C is to crouch. So here we get in this condition we get two conditions there is. So if is crouching is equal to false, we will do crouch, or if else will stand up. Okay, let's get first crouch one. Okay, I will create a separate function for it under the here I create void crouch So when we press G button, check our input is false or true. If our crouching is false, it crouch. So when we crouch, is the crouching variable bool is become to true. So at that time we doing a crouch, and our player dot transfer dot local scale is equal to new vector 3, that is 1 on, and crouch size of player and 1. Okay, so and in else function we just copy this line and paste here, but at that time our crouching is false, so we need to stand up, and here our crouching size of player size is back to 1, and back to Unity and drag and drop our player. And when we play this game, you can see when I press C is to crouch, and I can go under this pitch. When we press back, and it does. You can see I can't go under this bridge, and when I press crouch it can go. So it can show it will be doing a crouch, but there one problem is there, that at the when I do crouch, the speed of the player remains same, so we need to decrease the speed when we do crouch. So back to Visual Studio, and here let's create a variable for its public. I will use public because I can access from outside of the script. Public, and this is a float value, and speed on crouching. So this speed on crouching, that is equal to 7f, and here when we in crouch function type movement settings. This is a pre-made variable for the Unity, that is here is pre-made by the Unity with dot, and here we forward speed. So we need to decrease the forward speed, and that is getting equal by speed on crouching. And in health function we need to back to the normal speed. So here we create this movement speed, forward speed, that is equal by 15f. So by default I have 15 my forward speed. So you can also create a variable for this, but here I think is okay for me. And now I can save the script and go back to Unity, and when I am on normal speed, okay, and normal speed, when I press C, you can see that it's back to, it decreased to 7, and you can see my forward speed is very low, and this when I press C again, it's going too fast, and when it's getting slow. So if I press shift with crouch, you can see the speed is little bit increase. So, and if you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching.